Good morning, everyone, and
Yes.
honorable sir. Today, I, Kajal Sharma, and my group members, Vaibhav and Ishu, we are presenting very important topic of current time. It's farmer protest in India. About who we, about what we are going to discuss. We aim at finding the problem of our farmer who are considered as the builder of our nation. This short presentation This short presentation is going to discuss the problem and feasible solution in the area of farming in India. We welcome you all our presentation. Next slide. Next. Next. Main problem Indian farmer face credit related issue. Adequate timely credit is not given and there are undue delay in dispensation of credit. Scales of finance. The scales of finance fixed by the authorized inadequate as farm labor has become costly. Next slide. Main problem Indian farmers face. Marketing related issue. There is a huge difference in retail price and farm gate price and the same should be plugged and through the appropriate market intervention. The support price for various crops are to be announced in the beginning of this session are future trading, agriculture and produce in the increase and in farmer to plan agriculture operation. Market stabilization and the intervention should ensure by government to increase the farmer to increase productivity of their farmers. Gujarat. Next slide. Main problem Indian farmer face. Gain cooperative work can greatly government to introduce genetically modified crop which GMC which put lots of unwanted finance loads on farmer. Farmers do not get the support of society and government to face bad economic situation and they end up their lives. So, over to Vaibhav.
Complete?
Thanks, Kajal. Good morning, sir, and good morning, everyone. I Vaibhav from BBA 2, and here from I continue. Agriculture is unorganized activity today. Middlemen and economic exploitation of farmers. Most farms are small and economically unfeasible. Government programs do not reach small farmers. High indebtedness and exorbitant interest rates. Real estate mafia. The solutions of these are multiple crops, a special agriculture zone, need to modernize agriculture, educate the farmers, clubbing of small fields may help the farmers, need of meaningful crop insurance policies, need for better water management, alternate source of income for farmers, need for national weather risk management system, disease alert system. Why protest? Why the Tamil Nadu farmers are going to be protest? In August 2016, protests erupted in Tamil Nadu after Karnataka refused to release Kaveri River water to Tamil Nadu. Karnataka refusal to Tamil Nadu put the farmers in delta districts in distress. The failure of monsoon was the next big blow to the farmers of Tamil Nadu hit by the drought. Many farmers committed suicide in Thanjavur, Tiruvarur, Ariyallur, Perambalur, Nagapattinam as they were unable to repay their crops loans. Since then, farmers took the streets every day, demanding drought relief fund, water mismanagement and scanty rainfall, lack of drought relief package and loan waiver for peasants. Drought declared. The Tamil Nadu government sent teams comprising of ministers to review the drought situation in the state. Finally, the state government officially declared a drought in the state. In insufficient relief. The central government released Rs 1740 crore in drought relief fund instead of the Rs 40,000 crore sought by the state government, the biggest drought in 140 years. Because of their connection to the land, farmers do more to protect and preserve our government than almost anyone else. They are some of the best environment around. Thanks from my side, and I would like to call Risu Singh.
सर हो गया सर, इतना ही था।
रिशु नहीं बोलेंगे?
सर इसी में था, लेकिन सर मैं बोल दिया। और
ओके, फाइन।
थैंक यू सर।
हाँ जी।